Okay, we've got another auction lot here for our November the 1st, 2023 online auction. We are All City Auctioneers and we use the online auction site bcsurplus.com. This is a 2014 Case 580 Super N four-wheel drive loader backhoe. I'm going to hand the camera off to Carrie so she can hold it. I forgot my tripod, so she can hold the camera while I kind of run this thing through its paces. I'm not an equipment operator, of course. I'm an auctioneer, so you know, I only know how to move levers. It might not look smooth, but sometimes that'll tell you whether or not stuff is you know, wearing out or whatnot. So just going to walk back here and then I'm going to climb in. The thing's been up in the air like that probably for about you know, probably about 7 to 10 minutes. Haven't touched the controls, so hydraulics seem to hold pretty good. And anyways, now I'm going to go and climb in the cab and away you go. Okay, now I'll kind of walk around and talk to you about it. Of course, they're hauled in by not tow truck, low bed or whatever it is. So I have driven it around the yard. Everything seems to operate as required, but again, like I said, I'm not an equipment operator. Front blade looks to be a little bit worn, probably close to being replacement time. All the hydraulics appear to operate. You know, and of course, being a government surplus vehicle, they're always well lubricated. These things have always got best care ever, right? Let me see, tires probably in good condition. I wouldn't say excellent. Lots of wear, lots of tread left on that. You know, my finger goes quite deep into that. And I believe they're Michelins. They run Michelins. Yes, they are. They're Michelin. There they are, right there. Michelin XMCL. I don't see the size on it anywhere, but yeah. Let you listen to the motor. Now I did have a squealing belt when I try revving it up once in a while. I did get that. It did squeal, so I thought I better let you know. Like I said, the hose seems to operate. all the different locations, and I was really shocked. I got that to lift right perfectly into that travel position there. Usually takes me a few attempts to get that to go. She's got the hydraulic connections there for a hoe pack, or a breaker, I guess is what some people call them, or a hoe packer, I don't know, tamper packer. Again, lots of grease, lots of lubrication. They always they throw grease at these things all the time. Now I'll climb inside. So let me see here. We got 7,007.8 hours. Yeah, that's about it. I'll see if I can get that that belt to squeal here. I'm just going to use the throttle control on the back. So I don't know, you can just kind of barely hear it there. We don't try any of the lights or anything like that. It is equipped with air conditioning. There you go there. We don't try that. It's not hot enough for me to turn that on. Controls. Glass appears to be in really good condition. Stereo system. Don't see any chips. And yeah, so this is selling on November the 1st, 2023. We are All City Auctioneers. We are located in Langley, British Columbia. Highest bid wins. So it sells unreserved. So if you are the high bidder, you are the winner. It actually rhymes. And again, I'm not a poet, I'm an auctioneer. I don't get to call many auctions anymore. It's all done online, but here you go. It's a Case 580, great machine for the snow season coming up. Probably make as much as you pay for it in the first year clearing snow. And it looks like she's ready to go. Put her to work. Hope you get another bye-bye auction.